Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today I'm going to make some jewelry using some of the things I got from Curated Bead Box this month. I know I want to use these patinaed leaves. Now I've just got to figure out which beads I'm going to use. I think I want to use some bead caps. They had a lot of really pretty ones in the box this month. I'm getting out some ear wires that came with the box. That's one thing about Curated Bead Box. It comes with everything you need to get started. I really like that. And then I'm going to get a couple of head pins. Actually, I'm not going to use these head pins. I'm going to use this wire instead. I really like their head pins, but we're going to be making a link. So I'm going to use 20 gauge wire to do that. We could use these beads. Aren't these pretty? Or the yellow ones. Or, ooh, these are really pretty. The raspberry colored ones. The green, they would be pretty too. Or these. No, I like these. These are the ones we're going to use. Now the first thing I'm going to do is put the bead caps on, and then the bead, and then the bead cap at the top. I really like the way this looks, but you know, they had two different kinds of bead caps. So let's see what the other ones look like. Now these bead caps are a little bit smaller and the holes aren't so big. Let's see what they look like. I actually think I like these better. So we're going to stick with these. So now I'm taking my round nose pliers and I'm just going to turn a loop. And before I wrap it, I'm going to put one of the leaves on. And you can wrap it messily or neat. It's just a preference. I usually like to do mine a little messy. And you can either use your hands to wrap. There's different ways you can wrap. You can, use the flat nose pliers to hold. You could use round nose pliers to hold. You can wrap with your fingers like I'm doing, or you can wrap with pliers, just whatever you find is easier to do. But once you get it wrapped how you like it, then you're just going to clip off the end if you need to, and tuck the very end off. If you don't, it tends to hang out a little bit and it will scratch you as you're wearing it, so you don't want it to do that. When you clip off any wire, make sure you cover it, because if you don't, that piece could fly across the room and hit somebody, and you don't want that to happen. Now once you get everything wrapped and clipped and tucked, you can kind of mess with the little loop and get it how you want it. You can adjust a little bit here and there. as I am fixing to do. You don't want to mess with it too much because this is wire, but you just want to make sure that one end is tucked in. So now you're going to feed your beads down toward that loop. Look at that dangle. I love that dangle. And we're going to make another loop at the other end. And once you get everything wrapped and tucked, just add the ear wires and you're all done. Now you want to make sure that your loop is facing in the right direction so your leaf isn't turned sideways. And if you need to, you can adjust your loops accordingly. Now to get the other earring finished. And they're all finished. I really like them. They're really not that heavy. They're big and they're very much a statement piece, but they're really fun to wear. If you're interested in Curated Bead Box, I do have a really good coupon code down in the description box below. All the information is down there if you're interested. Thanks for joining me and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.